Hello and welcome to the IC Guy. This is an Arduino. Well, Arduino is an open source programmable circuit board that makes it easy to build electronic projects. Arduino was first introduced in 2005 in Italy, and before that, beginners had to work with microcontrollers. A microcontroller is a type of a small and affordable computer. Programming a microcontroller is tough, involving writing lots of binary codes and dealing with many registers, which is hard, especially for beginners. Plus, you needed a programmer device, power supply unit, and other applications to run a microcontroller. But with Arduino, it's just a breeze. No more complex coding thanks to Arduino IDE. The programming language that is being used in Arduino IDE is a simplified version of C++. The software is completely free and you can download it from the link in the description. If you're willing to learn Arduino, ESP32, or generally embedded systems, you need to learn C++ at first. There are lots of Arduino models, but the most popular one is the Arduino Uno. If you learn how to use one of them, you can easily work with others. The only difference between them is the hardware they use. Alright guys, we have covered the basics of Arduinos here, but I will diving into C++ for embedded systems and giving you a complete tutorial on Arduino projects. But before we jump into the coding adventure, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.